Hello guys! Welcome back to Makimis channel. Sa araw na ito, mayroon na naman tayong bagong video all about checkers and damas. Dama. In this video, as you can see, it is another beautiful tip and trick in winning the game. As you can see, we will eat 4 times or 4 pieces from the black corner. So, before I will start my tutorial in um, how to derive in that formation, please don't forget to like if you haven't liked yet, then subscribe also for those who are new to this channel, and tap the notification bell for the updates of my latest new videos. Okay guys, so let's start the tutorial. So as you can see, it is another type of X formation. It is another type of X formation from the previous videos that I have uploaded from the past days. It is another X formation. The first movement from the black corner, then we will cover right here to force him to cover in this area. We will form just like what I have said before, the V formation. So the plan for the enemy, the black corner, is that he will go right here to trap your pieces. So as you can see, as trapping the pieces, you cannot go right here. He will trap just one, he will eat twice. If we go right here, he also eat twice, and as you can see, eat once. So all we need to do right now is to push this piece to the right corner. As pushing this piece to the right corner, the black corner will cover and support this area to strengthen this formation. Okay, so right now all we need to do is to destroy the X formation. As you can see, it now forms the X formation, but now we need to destroy this one to start the plan. Okay, so in putting this into the right, the black corner will also support this one because you push right here. So in this line, you also push right here. In pushing right there, we need to let this eat up because we don't have another option. As you can see, if we go right here, no way. All right here, no way. And this way, no. We have no other option than to let this eat up. It really seems like the black corner is winning the game, right? Because we have limited movement, but don't worry, this is just a plan. So all we need to do is to bounce back. As bouncing back, the black corner will form another X formation. So I have uploaded triple X, single X, and now it is what we call as the double X formation. Dual X formation, dual. Okay, so in pushing this area, we need to go right here to not to destroy the X formation. So as doing that, the black corner enter right here, and we enter in this position to form looks like a hashtag, but actually not, as you can see, because it lacks of one line. As you can see, it is what we call as the dual X formation, right? Looks like a dual body of X. Yeah, what a nice formation. But in this time, we are trying to derive those first movement, I mean first picture that I have shown you from the start. So it he let that eat up, then bounce, and you bounce again and cover right here. To enter, his plan is to enter in this area because it's just so weak, because most of your pieces are right here to defend this area, not right here. So he think of entering this area. As this happens, we need to do now is to, we can't do anything to let this stop from being eaten. Instead, we need to go right here. So the black corner will eat up your the black piece will eat up your piece, and you need to support in this area. Supporting this area, the black piece will go right here. In entering that area, if we go right here, this is a bad formation because we will get eaten twice. No way to go right there. So instead of entering that area, we also not to cover right here. Do you know why? Because it is a bad idea to go right here, because the piece we have will be trapped right there. As you can see, 4 piece will be trapped by only 3 piece, and this will be entering this area. So we'll not let that happen. Instead, we will now form the formation that I have shown you at the start of this video. So what will we do now? What will we do next? All we need to do is to let this eat up. As you can see, do you remember the game of using the marble? This 5 right here, it looks like those game using the marble. It is called Sopo right here in our place. It is a nice formation. A small X formation, another X formation. What is this move? Most of our moves are X formation. What a nice. So, as you can see, in eating that up, we have this one supporting and the other one supporting. So, thanks to those support. So right now, as you can see, by supporting this one, is if this is up right here, we will eat quadruple. If it's up right here, we will eat quadruple in every direction. So all we need to do is to push this to the right, and wherever he goes, never to worry, because we are winning the game. Eat right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. What a nice, right? So if you also eat right here, it 1, 2, 3, and 4. What a nice movement, guys, right? So I hope you learned a lot from this dual X formation, and also there's in the final part, I don't know how to name it, but there's also small X formation in the last part. So it's up to you if what we'll call that, but for me, I will call that dual X formation. As you can see, the black piece also only have 5 piece, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece. Imagine 2 piece advantage is a great job. If that black piece will enter it here, no worry, because we have right here to let this eat up to bounce back and control the whole thing right there. So this is a sure win, surely win, really. No other option for the opponent. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned a lot from my dual X formation, and I hope you can you enjoy that video and follow the move that I have and learn from it to make that trick work in real life. Okay, so that's all for today. Please, again, for those who doesn't subscribe yet, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap ang notification bell to get updates of my latest videos, especially checkers. That's all for today, guys. That's all, and have a good day.